Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Spine X tutorial how to flip horizontally. So for example, I will create a simple sketch. You can go to brush tools and I will draw in here. Simple sketch. Now, if you want to flip horizontal these objects, you can go to canvas option. And then you can click the flip horizontal tools. So the object will be automatically flipped into horizontal. Okay, I will draw again at this point. Now you can go to canvas to flip the horizontal. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis Spine X tutorial, how to flip horizontally. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.